Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan your Dstv Explora Decoder if you are living in South Africa. So whenever you turn on your decoder for the first time, this will be the first page on it. So you have to scan it to actually get your channels running. So you have to select your preferred language. You have English and Portuguese. So you're gonna go in with English. You press OK on it. And when you come here, you have the slide page. That is the second page of it. So you have to select the right slide depending on your zone. Since you are living in South Africa, you need to select this slide and you press OK on it. And on this page, you come down to the manual setup. You press OK on it. And this LNB page, you have the LNB type. You need to select the unique cable LNB. Since it's an Explora decoder, you are required to install an Explora with a unique cable LNB. So you select the LNB to be the unique cable TM/SACR, and the user band figures have to be the same. The signal strength and then the signal status on the right side of the page have to show, indicating that there is a signal from the slide. So when you reach here and there is no blue tip in those space, you have to know that there is no signal coming from your slide. So you have to check the slide or the signal cable at the back of your decoder to get a stable signal on it. So you come down here to highlight the scan option and you press OK to actually proceed. Alright, so after proceeding or tapping on the scan option and it's unable to scan, you have to know that the signal quality you are getting from your slide is not enough to actually proceed with the scanners. All you got to do is to adjust the dish to get enough of the signal before you can proceed with it. After scanning, if it happens to be that it's a new decoder and there is no activation on it, you have to call the Dstv office and you provide them with the details of your decoder. That's the IUC number, your name, your location, and they're going to do the necessary activation right there for you. Alright, so if today is your first time being on this channel, you got to be subscribed and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.